Hello, I'm Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Do check out my channel, and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So we'll make a 4-ingredient sweet dish today. I'm making coconut burfi. This is very easy to make. So you can make a bunch of it and store it in the refrigerator. Let's have a look at the ingredients. I've got finely grated coconut here. I've got sugar, some water and ghee. That's all we need to make the dish. So let's start making the burfi. I have a saucepan on fire into which I poured the water and the sugar. Now we're going to make the sugar syrup out of this until it reaches 2.5 thread consistency. So let the sugar dissolve first, then we'll cook it further. So the sugar has come to 2.5 thread consistency. I'm going to remove it from fire. Now I've taken the coconut in a different pan, spread it out, and we'll just lightly warm it up. So the coconut has warmed up nicely. Now we'll pour the sugar syrup into this. Mix it quickly. And mix till it forms soft lumps. Make sure your fire is on medium. So now you can see it's become thick or lumpy, but it's still soft. At this stage, we'll just switch off the gas. So I've got a plate in here which I've greased with some ghee. Transfer the contents into this greased plate, and I'm just smoothing it out using a spoon. Make sure the thickness is even. Now we'll just let this cool down so that we can cut it into squares.